WEBULL versus Fidelity 2021. Which is best investing app for you to use in 2021? Hi guys, today I am comparing WEBULL with Fidelity and we will figure out that which one of these is good for you to use in 2021 as your investing app. So let's get started. Now, opening arguments. WEBULL is an amazing investing app, and when it comes to trading, I would prefer WEBULL over Fidelity. But when it comes to retirement account, I will prefer Fidelity over WEBULL. Now, both of these are actually amazing in their own way. I will be telling you about their pricing and their planning and showing you around both of these apps, that how they work and what are their trading fee and what features they offer. So, and when it comes to another comparison right away, just to tell you, so another argument that I would, just put it out there to be very clear is that Fidelity has much better customer service as compared to WEBULL. And why I'm saying this, I will be telling you. And because, like, as you know, like, Fidelity has better customer service because they are always there to help. You can see right here, we're here to help the questions. You can actually send your questions right away. You can actually chat with a representative and find an investor center as well. So as we look at the customer service, I would say that Fidelity is much better than WEBULL. So let's go to their commission fees and let's check out their different fee and stuff like that. So right now I am checking out WEBULL. You can see right here the commission and fee. WEBULL charges no commission for trading tools, ETFs and options, where most brokers charge 0.65. That's true. So what happens on WEBULL is that there is no commission fee. You can see it right here, zero commission and no deposit. But if we go to Fidelity, you will see that they have a commission fee. There's no base commission fee, but there is $0.65 per contract. So that's not good. Like, that's okayish if we talk about it's not that much, but if we're comparing it to WEBULL, that's bad because they do not have any fee and Fidelity does have that fee. So if we're here, let's check out their investment at a glance. You can see account minimum $0, stock trading cost $0, great, account fee none, number of commission fee all, ETFs trade commission free. So that's pretty good. A number of no transaction fee, more than 3,000 no transaction free. And then if we're talking about tradable securities, stocks, fractional shares, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, options. So you can check out all of these things. Like, they also have a mobile app, trading platform, fidelity.com and active trade pro, both free for all customers. So that's pretty amazing, and you can actually sign up for free. Sign up process for both of these apps is actually not that hard. It's completely easy. So if we go to WEBULL and check out their fee, you can see right here, minimum deposit $0, stock trade $0, ETF trade fee 0, base fee 0, per contract 0. And so you can see right here, if we compare them, that's why I told you that WEBULL is better for trading as compared to Fidelity. That's why I was saying this, because you can see right here that there are no base fee or stock fee or minimum deposit, but on Fidelity there is a fee. So that's why I was saying this. And in this matter, I think this point goes to WEBULL and the customer service point goes to Fidelity. So just so you can keep track of the points as well. But yeah, I'm not here to suggest any of these. Both of these are actually pretty amazing. Okay, so let's move on to their different features that they offer. So if I go to Fidelity and I go to accounts and trade, you can see right here that there is a portfolio option, which is low for now because of the I have not signed up. So you can see that account and trade, portfolio, account positions, trade, cash management, bill pay, and different settings as well, statements, tax forms, and information. So you can do a lot right here. Again, if we go to planning and advice, We can offer building financial basics, building savings, wealth management, find an advisor, retirement plans. This is good, right? For your retirement account, Fidelity is much better than WeBull, because you will find the advisors, and they have this wealth management. So that's pretty amazing. If we go to planning and advice, Fidelity is much better than WeBull. If we go to news and research, you will be able to get all of these information. Let's go to investment products. This is something interesting. You can see right here: mutual funds, retirement and IRAs, trading, stocks, fixed income bonds and CDs, ETFs, options, sector investment, cash management and credit cards, managed accounts, and health and saving accounts, immunities. So that's pretty life insurance, charitable giving. So when it comes to investment products, there are a lot of them on Fidelity. That's like, it's pretty amazing. Most of these investing apps and softwares will not have this much option that Fidelity is providing. So it's pretty good. That's why I think when it comes to 0.65 commission fee per contract, it's not that much when you're getting so much out of it. And then there is a different things that they have in order for you to tell you why you should choose Fidelity. So let's go to WEBULL and let me show you around. So this is the home. If I go to market right here, I will be able to show you around WEBULL's marketplace. So we are now at the marketplace of WEBULL. You can see right here, I am actually getting the live stats of what's happening of SPY, DIA, IXC. So you can see that all of these different stocks and tradings that are happening, you can see all of the top. You can check out the top gainers right here, top losers, most active. So you can see the overview of this website, that how well managed and how professional and how efficient the website is. So it's actually pretty mind blowing that they have no fee, and you can actually you can actually check out the crypto stocks as well, forex, and that's pretty amazing, guys. Like, look right here. If I want to check out crypto, I can just simply do that. So you can say that WEBULL is all in one. That's actually will be a very good justice to WEBULL if we say that it's all in one, and the marketplace is much better than Fidelity. That's why I said that in trading, WEBULL is definitely the winner. So if we go to pricing right here, and let's check out the pricing for WEBULL. Okay, you can see right here that they have annual margin rate. So if you it depends on your earnings. So if your debit balance is $0 to $25,000, then your annual margin will be 6.999%, almost like 7%, you can say. So that's the percentage of how they work, and this actually decreases as your debit balance increases. For example, you can check out right here, if your debit balance is more than 1 million, is between 1 million to 3 million, then it's going to be 4.49%. So if it's more than 3 million, then it's going to be 3.99%. So that's pretty amazing. If your debit balance will increase, the annual margin rate will decrease. So that's good actually. But the fee, it's not that much. It's good, like not that cheap also, but not that expensive as well. And if we talk about right here the fee for stock and everything, stuff like that, you can see that 0.000051 plus total trade amount, which is minimum $0.01. Pretty good. And there are like all of the fees you can actually check out right here. If you come to webull.com and go to pricing, I suggest you come right here and check out their pricing in detail. So here you will actually find it. You will be able to get a view of WEBULL. And actually both of these investment softwares have their own mobile apps, so that's pretty amazing as well. And both of them are actually, if I take you to another comparison between these two, okay, you can see a comparison right here in the trading fee. The comparison, actually they have 0 minimum deposit stocks trades. This is where the comparison actually comes, that mutual fund and trade fee, Fidelity has 49, and it has none. And then again, the option per contract is 0.65, but WEBULL does not have any. And when it comes to margin rates, you can see the differences right here. It's pretty good, but you can see right here, WEBULL is a little less than Fidelity if it comes to account fee. So you can see right here. Now, here you can see account fee, account transferred out partial. WEBULL actually has $75, and if we're going for full, it is still $75, but Fidelity does not have such thing. And if we go on an overview, you can see that if we talk about offers OTCBB, the Fidelity has it, but WEBULL does not. And if we talk about crypto trading, WEBULL has crypto trading, but Fidelity does not have crypto trading. So you can, actually check out all of their differences right here. And you can see right here, if we talk about the beginners education, that's a thing, also a thing, that Fidelity is beginners friendly as compared to WEBULL. You can actually see right here that all of these, retirement plans, mutual funds, options, and stocks, ETFs, all of these are available on Fidelity, but they are not available on WEBULL. So that's a drawback for WEBULL. Not that beginners friendly, but some of the things that are available, for example, paper trading, not available in Fidelity, but available in WEBULL. So you can see all of these differences right here, and you can actually, check out this website from where I am actually, checking this difference from, just so you can get a better idea. So yeah guys, at the end I can just simply say that we just saw that WEBULL is pretty amazing, not beginners friendly, but in trading better than Fidelity. No commission fee, no fee per contract. If we talk about Fidelity, better customer service, it has no commission fee, but fee per contract is there, $0.65, and it is beginners friendly as well. So these are few differences between these two, but both of these investment app are actually pretty amazing. You can go ahead and check out any of these, and I hope that I was a big help to you. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.